Hi, you're watching ENGLISHMANny channel, and today we are going to learn some new words. Say with me: a TV, a house, floor, a mirror, a chair, a bookcase, a computer, an armchair, a bed, a flat, a window, a desk, a telephone, a sofa, a carpet, a door, a table, a lamp. Subscribe my channel and watch a new video every week. Have a nice day!